So, what are the proper procedures for data governance? Once the environments are stabilized, we're going to begin tuning. We're going to point a tool at the environment. The purpose of the tool is to give us a baseline of what's going on so that we don't have simply anecdotal, things run slow on Monday mornings. This is not something you can tune based upon. Real data, that is, data gathered by a tool, is something that we can start tuning based upon. While this data is being gathered, we're going to implement data governance standards and start setting access, changes, QA, security, and we're going to implement this across all the environments. Critical, we want consistency across the environments. We're going to enforce new business rules. What are these new business rules? Well, these are not things we're setting up arbitrarily. These are things that we're setting up in conjunction with the data analysts. Once we have these new business rules applied, we're going to update, revise if necessary, and stand up these new rules based on the needs of the environment. Next, we're going to create processes, and note we're creating processes. We're not doing any of this dynamically. We're building the processes so that we can clean the unstructured data, build the warehouses, build the databases, and keep them up and running smoothly. Next, we identify unused and lightly used systems. It is not unusual to walk into an environment with over 100 servers and identify that they should be really running about 30 servers. That saves millions, literally millions in licensing costs over the course of a year. And that's the same every single year. Finally, understand that this is not a one-time job. This is a process. This is a cycle. We go back to the beginning, tune, review, monitor, implement changes, look at the business rules, etc. If you're doing these on a regular basis, you have a very solid ability to look at what you've got, evaluate, and have a high confidence in what you're evaluating.